Morning Year 8 and welcome to my first ever online maths lesson. Today's lesson is going to be about problem solving with equations. So over the last couple of weeks you've been looking at how you solve equations. So today's lesson is going to be about how you apply that to different problems. So we're going to be looking at using formulae that you may have generated from areas of rectangles, using length times width, or areas of triangles. Base times height divided by 2, or maybe angles in polygons. So for example, triangles add up to 180, quadrilaterals add to 360, and so on. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to look at the problem, try and set up an equation using those angle facts, and then use your skills to problem solve by balancing. So the first problem, if you look over here, we've got an isosceles triangle, and I know it's isosceles because it's got the two equal sides there, and that's the mark that represents that. If you've got two equal sides, that means you've also got two equal angles, so that we know now that this angle here is also 2x plus 5. So if we want to find the value of x, we have to add the three angles up. So we've got 2x plus 5 plus another 2x plus 5 plus the 40 at the top of the triangle is going to be equal to, and that's the important bit, the angles in a triangle adding up to 180, so it's equal to 180. Then what we're going to do is we're going to simplify our expression, so that gives us 4x plus 50 is 180, and now we're at the balancing stage. So we're going to subtract 50 from both sides, and that's going to give us 4x equals 130, and then we're going to divide both sides by 4 to get down to just x. So x, well, 130, half and half again, so half is 65, half again is 32.5. And so we've actually found x, but we should always check it, okay? And we check it by substituting that value into the actual diagram. So if you look over here, we've got 2x, so that's double x, that's 65, add 5 makes 70. And we've also got another angle of 70 because it's the same expression that we've used. And we know that 70 add 40 is 180 degrees. And there we go. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is have a go at some of the questions that I've emailed to you, and I'll also set some up on Dr. Frost Maths, and I'll send you some answers soon. Okay, have a good day.